Hi, my name is Joseph Palayo. I will be doing a lesson on nutrition and obesity today in my physical education class. The lesson will take place in the bike lab. The bike lab is a great place to work not only on fitness, but if it's a rainy day or something and you got to change your lesson, it's great to be prepared and have a quality lesson like this. So I got the three learning domains: psychomotor, affective, and cognitive. Even though we're working on nutrition, I still want the students being physically active, cycling in the bike lab, using three different speeds: slow, medium, and somewhat hard. I always want them to be under control and safe to avoid injuries. In the physical education class, I added a health-related fitness learning objective. Um, I got three standards from the California PE standards, and I was able to narrow down to five health standards. Again, the backward design is just a way to infuse technology into the lesson. You're giving the students a heads up of a topic that you want them to research. In this case, it is the MyPlate website, understanding, becoming more familiar with the dietary guidelines, nutrients, serving size, healthy eating, just understanding, basic what's healthy, what's not, fruits, vegetables. So getting into the lesson, attendance is really important because you need to know who's there and who's not there. And then if you ever have a substitute, you want to have really good roll call lines, really good classroom management. Partnering is really big. We would start off right away with getting into partners. I want to make sure that my English language learners and students with disabilities partner up with somebody that they will work well with, and maybe somebody that will help interpret, translate, help them understand, clarify if they have questions. Anytime we are in the bike lab, we always go over bike safety. Again, that's one of the learning objectives. Jumping right into cycling, they'll be broken up into 15 minutes into 3 intervals with breaks, water breaks. While they're cycling, I will be working on the PowerPoint, MyPlate, obesity statistics, food at school, food at home, healthy eating habits. After the cycling, we will get with our partner that we decided on earlier in class. Partners will get the obesity worksheet, and they'll work on what factors and causes they think are really important for obesity and how to help them make good choices so that they don't live a sedentary lifestyle. Lastly, we'll get back into our roll call lines, and we'll discuss the obesity worksheet, answer any questions, share responses. Then a quick review, just making sure, checking for understanding, the basic MyPlate website, dietary guidelines, healthy eating choices. At the end of class, this is where I like to try to help out the English language learners and the students with disabilities if they're not understanding. I'll pass out a worksheet, not a worksheet, but a vocabulary sheet that's in English on one side, Spanish on the other, so that they can learn the words, the terms for the nutrition and obesity lesson. We end with a conclusion, wrap up with a project for them that I'll be doing a week. It's coming up with a breakfast and lunch meal plan for the school using the MyPlate website. Small, serving sizes, healthy choices to try to improve the school food program. Again, if students with disabilities need modifications for this assignment, for this project, they will be made. And that is it. I hope you have a great rest of your day.